Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FOREX, and here is our charts for the Gbpjpy. So if you've been watching my analysis, you know I always draw zones. Like this is what I'll call an ascending channel, and this is a descending channel, if you know what I'm saying. So when price came to this area, because of what happened previously here, we had a little support that was formed at this particular area, and that support was strong because if you look at this support that was formed in this area, what do you see? You see an inverse head and shoulder. So this is the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder, and this is the head. So this is an inverted head and shoulder, if you know what I'm saying. So what happened was, so guys, early in the morning at 4 a.m. we had the market news for the GBP. This is right here. That was the BOG monetary policy statement, and because the policy statement was negative, GBPjpy became strong, because if the news goes against that currency, the other currency will become stronger than the other currency, and that's what happened in the morning. All the currencies that are trading against the GBP will normally become bearish. What I'm saying is that if you're trading the GBP, let's say the GBP has a negative news for the currency, let's say their BOG monetary policy, let's say it is negative, it's going to affect the Gbpjpy, and that's what happened early this morning, because it was actually trading bearish because of a negative news for the JPY. It caused this pair to go bullish, if you know what I'm saying. So also today we had positive news for the pound. So because we had good news for the pound today, that's like their gross domestic product was positive, the actual result was 0.3. Meanwhile, their forecast was 0.1 and their previous was minus 0.5. So it means that their percentage was increased, and because we had good news for the GBP, it caused this pair to further move to the upside, if you know what I am saying. You know, whenever the news is being released, you will see price move to the upside for a while, then it will take a rest, and within the next 4 hours it will become very bullish, and that's what happened today. We had another strong bullish candle in the 4-hour time frame. Now it has been broken out our previous sell zone. Yeah, and now this sell zone may now become a new buy zone, if you know what I'm saying. So we're hoping that the non-farm payrolls, because you know this particular currency is being affected by the non-farm payrolls. So Gbpjpy is also being affected by the GBP USD. So if we have very good non-farm payrolls, let's say it's going to affect this currency also. So let's say if the non-farm payrolls is negative for the dollar, let's say it will cause GBP USD to go bullish, and if it goes bullish, this pair will keep going to the upside, if you know what I am saying. But if it's negative for the, let's say the non-farm payrolls is positive for the dollar, let's say there are more jobs in America, GBP USD will go bearish, and if GBP USD go bearish, this pair will also go bearish to an extent, because it all depends on their index. The performance of the index is all depending on the dollar index. So GBPUSD and Gbpjpy are correlating to an extent, even though they do not fully correlate, but to an extent they are correlating, and that's why whenever I'm trading this pair, I have to see what is happening in the GBPUSD, if you know what I'm saying. So with that said, thanks for watching. Bye.